Welcome to my YouTube channel, Legal Information, Law Insights. I am Advocate Mukund Mahajan. In today's video, we explore one of the most misunderstood areas of property law, adverse possession, especially in cases where possession has continued for over 40 years. We'll look into the legal definition of adverse possession, requirements under the Limitation Act, Supreme Court and High Court rulings from 2023 to 2025. Practical insights for owners and claimants. Watch till the end. You will not waste your valuable time, because knowledge is power. Part 1. What is adverse possession? Adverse possession allows a person who is not the legal owner of a property to become its owner if they occupy the property openly, hostilely, and continuously for a legally prescribed period. Under the Limitation Act, 1963. Private property, 12 years, Article 65. Government property, 30 years, Article 112. But here's the catch: mere long-term occupation, even for 40+ years, is not enough. Part 2. Supreme Court verdicts, 2023 to 2025. 1 Government of Kerala v. Joseph, 2023. The court ruled that peaceful or long possession does not automatically become adverse possession unless it is hostile to the true owner's title and the owner is aware of it. 2M Radhesham Lal v. Sandhya, 2024. Supreme Court clarified that the person claiming adverse possession must clearly plead when the possession began, state how it became hostile, and prove the true owner's awareness of such hostile possession. 3 Kishundeo Raut case, 2025. Court held that adverse possession cannot be raised for the first time in appeal. It must be specifically pleaded in the original suit, otherwise, the court won't entertain it. 4 Land grabbing decision, 2025. In a separate ruling, the court held that if someone occupies land with an intent to grab or construct illegally, it is land grabbing, not adverse possession. Part 3. High Court verdicts, 2025. 1 Himachal Pradesh High Court judgment struck down a clause that aimed to regularize government land encroachments, stating that government land held for public purpose cannot be taken over via adverse possession, regardless of how long it's held. 2 Telangana High Court ruling. In a private land dispute, the court ruled that title disputes cannot be decided through administrative orders. Only a civil court can decide ownership, and possession alone does not create title. Part 4. Legal principles evolved. 1 Long possession is not equal to ownership. Even 40+ years of possession won't lead to ownership unless it meets legal criteria. 2 Mandatory pleading. Claim must be made clearly in the plaint, not added later. 3 Hostile and exclusive possession. Possession must be hostile, not based on permission, and not shared with true owner. 4 No adverse possession against government. Courts are strict in disallowing claims against state land, even after decades. 5 Adverse possession is not equal to land grabbing. Unauthorized constructions and illegal occupancy will be treated as criminal, not civil claims. Part 5. 40+ years claims, myth versus law. A popular misconception is, if someone has occupied land for more than 40 years, they automatically become the owner. That's not true. The courts now ask: was the possession truly hostile? Was it open and known to the real owner? Was there any challenge to ownership during that period? Unless all these answers are yes, the claim of adverse possession will fail, even after 40, 50, or 60 years. Part 6. Practical takeaways for landowners. Inspect your property regularly. File legal action promptly if you find encroachments. For claimants, only time isn't enough. Prove that possession was hostile, continuous, and known to the owner. For legal practitioners and students, draft pleadings carefully. Avoid raising adverse possession claims at the appellate stage without prior pleadings. Conclusion: adverse possession is no longer a loophole for illegal occupation. The Supreme Court and High Courts from 2023 to 2025 have made it crystal clear: only well-pleaded, hostile, and legally valid claims can succeed. So if you are relying on long-term possession to claim land, think again. You must meet strict legal requirements. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it informative, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for more legal insights. I will meet you in the next video soon. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.